Hello everyone, this is my HPC assignment demonstration using the Risc-V simulator. So RIPES is a visual computer architecture simulator that helps us understand how instructions are executed inside a processor pipeline. So it allows us to write assembly code, run it, and visually see how data moves through each stage of the pipeline. And coming to hazards. In a pipeline processor, hazards are conditions that interrupt the smooth flow of instructions. The main types are data, control, and structural hazards. In this experiment, we mainly focus on data hazards, which occur when one instruction depends on the result of a previous instruction. So, coming to our program, the concept implemented here is to calculate the factorial of a number using recursion in Risc-V assembly language. The program loads the number 7 as input, calls a recursive factorial function, and then displays the result in the console as factorial value of 7 is 5040, that is 5040. And this is my coding port. As you can see in the code section, the program contains a main function, a recursive factorial function, and a print result section. The recursion part multiplies the number repeatedly until it reaches 1, and the final result is printed using system codes. And this is the coding view that is upon the execution process. So here I am running the program in the RIPES simulator. When I click on the load program and start execution, we can see the instructions being executed one by one in the processor window. The registers, memory, and stack values changes dynamically, showing how recursion works internally. And this is also the execution process about the circuit, that is the pipeline view. So in this view we can clearly see the pipeline stages, that is fetch, decode, execute, memory, and write back working together. As instructions move through these stages, small delays or dependencies create data hazards which are visible in the pipeline diagram. These are handled using pipeline control techniques. So this is my project, and finally the output in the console shows that the factorial value of 7 is 5040, as I mentioned earlier, proving that the program works correctly. This experiment helps to understand how recursive functions, stack operations, and hazards behave inside a pipeline Risc-V processor. Yeah, that's my project, and thanks for watching the video.